Alright, I've been meaning to make this video for quite a while, but Stevie Lav did a video on some of the tools he carries for his trade, heating trade, and I'm in the same trade. And this has gotten to the point where it's just ridiculous. Yeah. To find anything in here, it takes like 5 minutes. So what I'm going to decide to do is, this is going to be strictly tinning stuff. That is pretty much going to stay the way it is. I'm just going to clean some shit up. It's going to be, you know, like drills and everything, all that fun crap. And then I got this guy right here, sticking with the Bucket Boss other stuff I got. And this is going to be my gas fitting bag. I'm going to have some tinning tools in here, but it's mostly going to be for going, like lately I've been doing a lot of what they call final work, go in and tweak some stuff. Well, I got sick and tired. I mean, I only need, when it comes to fixing stuff, I only need part of these tools, and I'm sick and tired of hanging. I mean, this bag's got to be 50, 60 pounds, if not more, and I'm just tired of dealing with that. When I gotta do just little fixie up things, or I gotta do gas tree stuff, which is usually, you know, like the last stuff you do, like hooking up fireplaces and other odds and ends. So I'm gonna go through that bag and get the garbage out of it, and then take out what I don't want in there, put what I want in there back in it, and then I'm gonna go through this and straighten it up a little bit, and then I will load that bag up the way I want it, or at least the way I think I want it at the time being. So let's get going. Alright, let's empty this sucker out. Anybody need a pen? Don't work there anymore. I got smart Aquits. The shit in those little baggies on the side can go, or it can stay. I can go out here with the rest of these. Got a handful of bits here. Can never have too many. That actually can go in my gassing bag. Yeah, gas. Chunk of copper, I'll keep that. I'll throw it in my copper bucket. Worth some money. Some screws can go there. Yeah, charging cord. Didn't think I had that in there. Anybody need a tap for a water line? It's just a okay. Yeah, you just strap that on a. Well, you pull this sucker out like so. Anyways, you pull that all the way up, and it does two things. It closes off this valve, and also pulls that poker up. And you take this, and you clamp it around your copper pipe, and then you crank this in to puncture it, yada yada. Alright. Everybody needs one of those. Anyways, let's get the rest of this crap out of here. Crimping tool. You know, they finished into pipes. It's got the little marks in it. That's what that guy does. Aviation snips. These cut to the left, so you can, if you're cutting something, you can go, you know, to the left. Green ones go to the right. Plastic tubing cutter. Crescent wrench. Throw that for the gas fitting stuff. Hand seamer. Use it to grab metal. Notcher. Cut a little V-notch and stuff. Another crescent wrench over there. This guy I'm going to leave with this. Another crimping tool. As you can see, this one's got a little bit more longer reach. I'll put that with my gas bag. Mini aviation snips. These come in handy, save my ass multiple times. Same as the other ones. Red is left, green is right. Kind of some industrial scissors. Vice grips, put that over there. Some more screwdrivers, put that over there. Zip tie tensioner. Run zip tie through this side, and you just keep pulling on it. It gets the right tension. It'll do it right there. Cuts the tail off of your zip tie. Pipe wrench. It's gonna go over there. Another crescent wrench that goes over there. Pipe dope. Anybody want some dope? I wouldn't smoke that, but whatever. To each their own. Another hand seamer. Another pipe wrench. I don't think I used that one. I think that one's brand freaking new. These pliers I'm gonna leave this bag. Everybody needs some silver for brazing. This screwdriver I'm gonna leave this kit. And that crescent wrench can go over there. That screwdriver can go over there. This is a 1/4 inch nut driver. You just pull on it. You change out different bits on it. I think I'll put that with my Dewey. This I'm gonna put that bag, gassing bag, the gas valve fittings. I guess more or less it's going to be like more of a service bag setup, I guess you can call it, but whatever. I'll leave some screwdrivers with this. Plier strippers, lineman plier. Oh, that's tight. Give that a little squirt of Earl. Yeah, I guess I can stay here. This I'm gonna put back in my toolbox. Don't really use that at all. A bag of screws, it's sock, they can go in the garbage. Another gas valve. Another screwdriver. And this right here is a tool for, I guess some genius found out if you huff Freon, you can get high. And now we got to put locking caps on it. And this is the tool we use. This one's for R22 Freon. And this is for R410. The end's a little bit bigger on it. That can go in my other bag. That's garbage. Yeah, I could go ahead and leave that there. Little test light. Tells you if something's hot. Goddamn Mexicans on my job sites, they go there and they flip every breaker on in the panel. Well, if you're downstairs working on a furnace, after you already went upstairs and shut the power off, 9 times out of 10 the assholes flip the breaker on and you get a little jolt. And I prefer not to get zapped, it kind of tickles in the wrong way. Another one of those water valves from humidifiers. Some pipe sealant. And some fittings and stuff I don't really need. This dude right here is a pivot point for a hole cutter. Because they break pretty easily. Let's see here. That part in the little box I was showing you is this piece right here. Surprising, being I bought one, I haven't broke one, but you can see right in there, right there on that side, that pin's getting thin. Eventually it'll just break off. Replace one of those. And then I got your marker for marking tin, screwdriver bits, another one of those hand nut drivers which come in handy. That saved my bacon more than once. Set that stuff right there for the time being. Some jumper wires, they come in handy for stuff. The rest of this stuff, I am going to, don't really need it. A lot can go in the garbage. Throw away. And then there's a lot of copper scraps in here, so that can go in the scrap bin. I just dropped one of my nuts. Alright, be right back.
Want bone?